Hi. Hi. What do you... Hi. Hi. What is happening? But this is
You missed that whole thing.
I don't need biting your pants.
Nah.
Oh, okay. So her phone ended up over there. You see it? You see it? Right there. I don't know what vlog is. I thought it was called blog. Moonwalk. That was the freakiest sounding bird ever. Come here, puppy. Say hi. Hi. What is happening? What the frick is on your shirt?
My shirt?
You have shit on your shirt. Say hello to it. Hi.
Can you bleep that? That's disgusting. That's better.
This way you could fly it. Oh my god, say hello. Dogtail. Dogtail. You're so happy.
Bonk. What?
Why is he trying to eat it now? What are you doing? Eat it. Are you Egyptian? Oh my god, that's my face.
You didn't answer, you son of a bitch.
You son of a bitch. Did you stop it?
No.
Oh god. It's scary, I know.
It's scary, I know.
Goodbye. We need to go on adventures.